Want to enable or disable app icon badges on your Samsung phone? These badges help you quickly see which apps have notifications, but they can also feel distracting for some users. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy steps to turn them on or off, whatever suits you best. Let's get started. Method 1. First, open up the settings, scroll down a little bit, then tap on home screen, scroll down again. Here, you'll find the App Icon Badges option. Gently toggle on it to enable it, or if you want to disable it, then simply toggle off. Method 2. In this method, I will show you how to enable and disable App Icon Badges for any specific app like the Message app. To do that, back to the home screen, press and hold on the Message app, then tap on the eye icon. After that, tap on Notifications. Under the notification type, you will see the badge option. Now tap on it to enable, and then tap on it to disable. That's all for today, everyone. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.